you're afraid it won't work. And so that's something that is normal. Personally, that happens to me all the time. When you start something, when you have a dream, when you have a project, when you have an idea, because you don't know if it's gonna turn out well, so you prefer not to start. And you have to notice that all that happened on unconscious level, because if you were aware of that, maybe you would find the power to go against what is happening. But because you're thinking that subconsciously, you don't even know it is happening. It's like in a quick second, but you don't realize that, oh, this is actually the thought that is holding me back. And so you're afraid it won't work, so you don't want to be disappointed. You don't want to put all your hopes, your effort in doing something, and then for 3 years you're working hard on that, and then at the end of the day it doesn't work. So you feel like you're taking a chance. It's like playing Russian roulette, or gambling in the casino, because you never know what the result is going to be. And in this situation, the best way to approach things is to say, you know what, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna do everything in a responsible way, and do one step at a time, do the research, and seek for good practices from people who have done it and have succeeded. But don't just say, oh, you know what, it's going to be difficult, so I dismiss it. No, go look for the path. Once you have the path, if you feel like this is something you can do, go do it. But don't eliminate the opportunity to work on your dream just because you're afraid it won't work. Take the action, be responsible, have a path, and start working on it little by little. Over time, you're gonna see that, yes, if it's for you, if it's meant to work, you're gonna succeed. Otherwise, if it fails, you will still learn something. So you have nothing to lose if you are responsible when taking on that project or that dream.